Today I am reviewing the Skytech Nebula Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the performance. The Ryzen 5 5500 is a 6-core, 12-thread processor with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a turbo boost that goes up to 4.2 GHz. This CPU is more than capable of handling modern titles, multitasking, streaming, and even some light content creation. Whether you're diving into a competitive match of VALORANT or rendering short videos for YouTube, this processor can keep up without skipping a beat. Now let's talk about the real highlight here, the graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB of GDDR6X VRAM is a beast in the mid-range segment. Thanks to its Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 4060 offers massive gains in power efficiency and ray tracing capabilities compared to previous gen cards. You can confidently run games like ELDEN Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, HELLDIVERS 2, and Cyberpunk 2077 at 1440p ultra settings with frame rates above 60 FPS. That's premium gaming without the premium price tag. The system also includes 16 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM with heat spreaders, ensuring fast multitasking and stable performance during high-stakes gaming or productivity work. Opening multiple Chrome tabs while streaming on Discord and running a game? Not a problem. Storage is handled by a 1TB NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. That means lightning-fast boot times, almost instant game loading, and quick file transfers. You won't have to worry about sluggish performance or running out of room for your favorite AAA games. Cooling is another area where the Skytech Nebula shines. With a high-performance air cooler and ARGB fans, the system stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. The airflow is excellent, thanks to the front mesh panel design on the Nebula Black Edition case. It not only improves cooling, but also gives the system a stylish, gamer-ready look. In terms of connectivity, you get 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 ports, and dedicated HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. There's also HD audio and mic support, making it great for streamers and voice chat. No bloatware is included, so you're getting a clean Windows 11 home setup from start. One bonus worth mentioning is that it comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse included in the box. And with Skytech's 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, you're covered in case anything goes wrong. So who is this PC for? If you're a gamer who wants smooth 1080p to 1440p performance in modern titles, a content creator who edits videos or streams, or even a student or working professional who values speed, multitasking, and future-proof components, this is a fantastic option. It's especially great for those who don't want to build their own rig from scratch. To sum it up, the Skytech Nebula Gaming PC with Ryzen 5 5500 and RTX 4060 is an excellent mid-range pre-built. It strikes a strong balance between price, performance, and aesthetics, making it a great investment for gamers in 2025. If you're thinking about grabbing one, check the link in the description to see current pricing and offers. It's definitely worth a look.